Hello and welcome to Work Smart Essentials. In this video, we will learn how to apply VLOOKUP on a data. So, before that, let's just see what a VLOOKUP is. So, VLOOKUP is an Excel function that helps you quickly find the information from a table. Instead of searching for the data manually, VLOOKUP looks for a value in the leftmost column and returns matching data from the same row. So, what are the different fields of a formula? We will look into it while applying it. So, for that, right now I have a data set. So, here it is. So, now we have a data which shows the employee IDs, their names. We have the department codes they are working in and their salaries. We need to find the department names. I have one more tab available, that is the departments, which we see D1, D2, D3, D4. So we have the codes and the names available simultaneously. So let's just do it now. How do we apply the formula? So first of all, equal to VLOOKUP. What are the fields that we need to enter? First, we have to select a lookup value. Lookup value is what you want to search for. In this case, we want to search for the department codes, right? Next. Next, we need to select the table array. Table array is where the Excel should look for your data. Okay, where the Excel should look for your data as in the lookup value I am saying. Okay, so let's just select department codes and department names. Here is the data that we need to look. Okay, next, the column index number. From which column do you want to return the answer? Now, which column do we want? We need the department name. So in this case, this is the second column. So we'll write 2. Next, we need to tell the Excel whether we need a approximate match or a exact match. So for in this case, we will go for a exact match. Okay, so now we can write false, or the other way of doing it is we can write 0 and we'll press enter. So see, since our complete data set was formatted as a table, so the complete data is available here. Now let's just check. Riya Patel. Riya Patel is related to department code D02, and D02 is human resources as per the formula that we have put in. So let's just check. D02. D02 is, yeah, human resources. So our formula is working. Rather than again and again switching tabs and looking for the data, we have it here with ease and without any errors. Let's just check one more. Kunal Bansal. He's related to department D01. D01 is finance. Let's just see what the formula has returned us. It is finance. Now the complete data set is here. Oh, hold on. We have a 0 and I see a NA as well. Okay, let's just see what it is. It is for Kavya Shah. Her department code is D05. Okay, let's just go to departments. So when we go to D05 in the column A, in the cell A6, it shows D05, but the second column that we were looking for a value in return is empty. So that is the reason we have the feedback as 0. So one of the things is this: the data need not, if the data is not available, the return value will be 0. So let's just enter a name here of the department, marketing. Okay, so yeah, here now it is returning marketing because now it can pick up marketing from here. The department name marketing is available. Now let's just look for this NA error. What is this NA error? It is for Manish Sharma. The department code is D06. D06. Okay. Our department table array does not show D06. So when our lookup value is not available in the table array, the return value will be NA. Now let's just add this thing in the table. Okay. Now if we see our table code is available, and see, here it is, the 0 is available since the second column says our department name column shows a blank. That is why we have a 0, but we have the department code available. So now let's just enter the name here and we will have the data. Okay. One thing to note, VLOOKUP will always return a value in the left side of the lookup value. So it will only look towards the left for your answer. So now we cannot put a VLOOKUP based on the names and then we are looking for the codes. Our answer cannot be codes based on the names because the codes are mentioned in the righter side of the names. So please note, it is only the left side. So I hope you have understood how to apply the VLOOKUP. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. See you up in the next video. Thank you.